Hey guys, this is Tiana. We're doing how to make yellow extensions platinum blonde. First, you're going to want to grab your extensions, make sure there is no knots in them, so you're going to want to brush them out really well. These are the ones that I want to lighten. They're just a little bit too yellow for my hair. And these ones are the color that I'm trying to get it to. You can tell that the ones on the left are a lot more yellow. I have a second set over here that's also very yellow, so in part 2 I'll be doing these. So when you're doing this, you're going to want to make sure that you're doing it in something that this purple shampoo won't stain. I got it on my counter and it definitely stains it, so just be careful where you do it. I'm just using the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo. That way I don't have to use an actual color as a toner. It's better to use hot water when you're doing this because it will open the cuticle in the hair, and so the color of the shampoo will take to your extensions a lot more quickly than it would if you were using cold water, which closes the cuticle. Make sure when you're doing this you have one strand of hair at a time, so you're not doing the whole bunch, because sometimes there will be a section in the middle that doesn't get saturated, so that part will end up staying yellow. I like to start at the root and work my way down to the ends to make sure that I get every spot on the extension. And of course I hit my camera stand. This is where I realized that I probably should have been wearing gloves so my hands don't turn purple. After I had every piece in the water, I just went ahead and left it in there for about 15 minutes. I wanted mine to turn out fairly cool, so I wanted it to remove all of the warm colors, so the longer you leave it in, the cooler toned it's gonna get. And if you leave it in too long, it will end up turning purple. Don't worry if it does get too purple because it's just shampoo, so you can always rinse it out. So this is how I finished them. I'll get back to you guys in part 2 where I will take them out, I'll dry them, and I'll style them. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.